The price of Bitcoin has risen above $30,000 for the second time since June 2022, marking a major comeback. The latest rise in the value takes Bitcoin's total gains in 2023 to more than $14,000, representing an 85% price increase since the start of the year. Therefore, this means that if you invested in Bitcoin between mid-December and the beginning of January, you'll be sitting on a whopping 85% gain. In mid-June, we went through the possibility of a kiss of death signal on the Bitcoin chart, and my analysis and prediction was that Bitcoin was going to reject the kiss of death signal, and as we can see on the chart right now, this has come to pass. To briefly recap, I'm just going to play a small clip of the video that I posted in mid-June. So step 1 was Bitcoin closing below the 21 EMA after an impressive uptrend, and step 2 involves Bitcoin bouncing back and kissing the 21 EMA. So we can see that Bitcoin fell from 69k down all the way to make a low of roughly around $15,479, and it bounced from this low. It started going up towards the 21 EMA. As we can see right here, it has kissed the 21 EMA and it's now coming back down. So essentially what we're saying here is that Bitcoin hasn't broken through the 21 EMA to go back to the upside and stay on the positive side of the 21 EMA. Okay, so now that we can see that the kiss of death signal has been rejected, the question is, what is next? So whilst looking at this chart, we can see that we are currently trending above the 21 EMA, and it is very important for Bitcoin to remain above the 21 EMA for Bitcoin to remain bullish. And at the moment, we're looking at it on a high time frame, and this also applies on lower time frames such as the 21 EMA on the weekly time frame. So it's important to be looking at multiple time frames. So if Bitcoin remains above this 21 EMA on the monthly, this is super bullish, because this means that Bitcoin is bullish on the long term. And one of my favorite phrases within technical analysis is that the trend is your friend. I never bet against the trend, or I try not to, should I say, because at the end of the day, the trend is your friend. It's the best way to determine whether to get in or out of a trade and play it safe. So as you can see on the chart right now, we've got a bit of volume right here. The month has just begun, which is why this candle is just forming. So the previous month's candle has just finished. It was just completed yesterday, and we can see that we had a good amount of volume and a nice candlestick right here. In July, I expect the price to go up and down. It may come back and touch this 21 EMA and push up towards the recently broken highs. So we can see that last month we just broke the high that was formed in April of $31,035. This was broken, and in June, we reached a high of $31,458. That's the current high for 2023 at the moment. I believe that that will get broken again this month in July. I expect Bitcoin to break that, and we should start seeing some resistance from around the $34,000 mark up till 39k. I see a bit of resistance there. It'll be interesting to see how the price moves going forward from there. Just one more thing, could you do me a small favor and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already? And you can also check out my free crypto trading guide at piggybacks.com, or see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.